When you send or receive international payments, the term MT103 Swift message often comes up. It's a standardized format used by banks under the Swift network to confirm the movement of funds between financial institutions. This message acts like a payment receipt, showing all key details such as sender, receiver, amount, currency, and transaction reference. If you're wondering, where is my money? That's where a Swift tracker comes in. Here are 5 effective ways to track your MT103 Swift message and check the fund transfer status. So, the easiest way to track your funds is to request the MT103 message copy from the remitter's bank. This document, contains the unique transaction reference number, sender and receiver details, and a timestamp. Once you have it, the receiving bank can trace the payment pretty quickly. If your bank supports Swift GPI or Global Payment Innovation, you can use the Swift GPI Tracker tool. This tracker gives you real-time updates and complete transparency of your fund movement. You should check with your bank or visit swift.com for more info. You can also contact your bank's customer support with your MT103 or UETR number. Most banks honestly can track the status internally and share exact progress updates. So, moving on, some banks actually provide direct visibility into international transfers through their online portals. And if your transfer includes Swift GPI, you might even get a live tracking update, along with the estimated arrival time. For corporate cases, platforms like My Standards or payment status tracking portals offered by Swift partners, like, Finastra RippleNet and so on, can be used to monitor multiple transactions, and these come with more advanced tools. Here are a few helpful websites. First, there's www.swift.com for official Swift tools and trackers. Then, www.finastra.com for partner-based tracking. And finally, www.ripple.com for blockchain-enabled Swift tracking. Alright, so to wrap up, understanding your MT103 Swift message and knowing how to use a Swift tracker is really essential for stress-free international payments. Always remember to ask for your MT103 copy and use the right tools to stay updated on your fund movements.